The Indian state of Maharashtra has a bicameral legislature comprising two houses. The lower house, known as the Legislative Assembly, is directly elected by the people and is the more powerful of the two houses. The upper house, known as the Legislative Council, is elected indirectly by several specially designated electorates. The Legislative Assembly has a tenure of 5 years, at most, and it may be dissolved before time in case the government falls for lack of majority and nobody else can cobble up a majority. The Assembly has a strength of 288 seats, each seat being a geographical constituency. This page is devoted to the Assembly elections which were held in 2014. The term of the Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra was due to expire on 8 November 2014. By virtue of its powers, duties and functions under Article 324 read with Article 172 of the Constitution of India and Section 15 of Representation of the People Act, 1951, the Election Commission of India is required to hold elections to constitute the new Legislative Assembly in the state of Maharashtra during a window of time which is between 6 months before and 6 months after the date of expiry. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.